Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is lesson 2 to learn the names of the letters. So we were working on the names of the letters and to. What is to? How to pronounce to? To. To is heavy. So there are only two letters are involved, to and alif. So it will be two haraka long. To, to, the. How many letters are involved to pronounce the? Only two. When you write it, it's only two letters are involved, the and alif, and it will be stretched two haraka long. Ain is more than two, so it will be stretched I, Ain, Ain, Ya. Ain is first, Ya is second, Noon is third. So there are three letters to pronounce Ain. So we will stretch it. Yes, we can stretch four, but we are stretching six haraka long. That will be I. And there will be tawassut on Noon at the last letter of this letter. I. Ghain. Same. There are three letters involved to pronounce the name of this letter. There are three letters which are those ghain, ya, and noon. And you can find harf before the sukoon. So you can stretch it for haraka, but here we are stretching six because most of the scholars are agreed to stretch the name of the letters for six haraka. So we are stretching it six haraka long. Ghai, fa. Why I just giving two haraka long? Because there are only two letters involved to pronounce this letter. Fa, fa, and alif. So we are stretching it two haraka long. Fa, qaf. Why we are stretching it six haraka long? Because more than two letters are involved to pronounce this letter, and these are three letters: qaf, alif, and fa. Okay, can I take another color so it could be more visible? Yes. Qaf, sorry. So qaf is the first letter, alif is second, and fa is third. So, and you find sukoon on fa, and qaf is a mad, there is a mad letter before sukoon, so you can stretch it four haraka, but we are stretching six haraka because most of the scholars are agreed to stretch it six haraka long. Qaf, and there will be hums at the last letter because it's fa, and whenever fa is with sukoon, it gets hums. Kaf. Kaf. Kaf is a soft letter, and there are three letters involved to pronounce the name of this kaf, this letter. So the first letter is kaf, second letter is alif, and third letter is fa. So there are three letters involved. Whenever there are three letters are involved, the stretch of the letter will be more than six, and that will be more than two, and that will be, that can be four, and that can be six, but we are stretching it six haraka long because most of the scholars are agreed to stretch the name of the letter for six haraka. Lam. Lam. And sorry, I forgot to say there will be hums on fa. Kaf. Clear sound of fa. And lam will be 6 haraka long too, because there are 3 letters involved to pronounce the name of this letter. There are 3 letters: lam, alif, mim. So 3 letters, whenever there are 3 letters involved to pronounce the name of any letter, it will be 6 haraka long stretch, because mim has sakoon, and there is mad letter before it. Then we have to stretch it for 6 haraka. Lam, mim. Whenever there are 3 letters involved to pronounce any name of the name of the letter, so you will stretch it for 6 haraka, because you find sukoon at the last letter and mad letter before it. So whenever this combination comes, so you will stretch, and you can stretch it for 2, 4, and 6, but we are stretching it 6 haraka long, because most of the scholars are agreed to stretch the names of the letters for 6 haraka. Noon, noon. Why we are stretching noon? Because more 3 letters are involved to pronounce this letter, and you find sukoon at the last, and you find the mad letter before it. Whenever this combination comes, you stretch it more than 2. We are stretching it 6 haraka, because the name of the letters are to be stretched 6 haraka. Noon, and there will be the tawassut at the end, because there is noon with sukoon. Noon. Wow. This is wow. Wow. It will be not stretched. Ha. It is 2 haraka long. Why? Because only 2 letters are involved to pronounce the name of this letter. So whenever there are 2 letters, yani only mad, so how we can stretch? We cannot stretch. So it will be 2 haraka long. Hamza. Hamza will be Hamza. It will be said like this. Hamza. The name of that letter is Hamza. Yeah. There are only 2 letters to pronounce this letter. So we'll stretch it 2 haraka long, because this is only mad. So how we can stretch mad? We cannot stretch mad more than 2 counts. This is 2 counts long, and yeah, it's very soft letter. Yeah, yeah. This is the other shape of this yeah. So we will say the same way. Yeah. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.